everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing great today. If this is your first time here, I'm so glad you're here. Please don't go away without hitting the subscribe button and also like this video. Here I create content relating to food, fashion and craft, lifestyle and travel. So in this video today, I'll be showing you how to make this potato recipe that I enjoy so much. When I got to the United States, I realized that the common type of potatoes you find everywhere are the russet potatoes, different from the normal sweet potatoes I used to have in Lagos. So it was really difficult for me getting used to, the russet potatoes. I didn't used to enjoy cooking it the normal way, so I had to devise a means of enjoying it my own way. So I came up with this recipe, and ever since I started cooking it that way, I've been going over and over for it, and I really enjoy it so much. So here today I'll be showing you how to make it, and I really hope that you enjoy it as much as I do. So don't go anywhere, stay with me, and let's jump right into it. These are the russet potatoes I'll be using. I have 5 of them. I have some mackerel here and shrimps that I've already washed and seasoned with salt and some black pepper. Here I have my garlic, I have tomatoes, I have some sweet pepper. I'll be adding some habaneros to that. I have carrots, onion and bell pepper. And here I have my boiled gizzard. I already boiled them, seasoned them. I have spinach. So every opportunity I get, I toss some spinach into my food because they have lots of vitamins. So here I have oyster sauce also. I have some curry seasoning, thyme as well, and as a necessity, salt and cubed seasoning. My potatoes are already cut and washed here. I like to leave the skin on because they have lots of iron, fiber and potassium. So I'm going to go ahead now to season them. As you can see here, I'll season them. You can use whatever seasoning of your choice, but some of the seasoning I use are like black pepper, parsley flakes, salt, some olive oil, curry and thyme, and just mix all of that together like that. Spread in a tray, and then we're ready to bake. So I left this in the oven at 350 Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. While that is in the oven, I'm just going to go ahead and air dry my mackerel. I like to do this to remove the excess oil from it as against frying. And so while that is on, I have my grated garlic here to begin the process. And here I have the sweet pepper and habanero, like I said, some tomatoes, my onions already sliced, and the bell pepper sliced as well. With the cooker set to medium heat, in goes the shrimps. So I remove the skin because I like it that way. You can leave them on if you want. So we're going to fry on all sides till they are brownish like this. And in the same pan, add some more oil. And we'll start by adding the onions and the garlic. This part is my best part of the whole cooking process. Like, the smell of onion and garlic to me is so yummy. It's one of the favorite aroma I like having anytime I'm cooking. So allow me to have this time. Am I alone in this? I know I'm not alone. So please drop your comments if you also love it. Now I'm going to add the rest of the pepper, the bell pepper, the sweet pepper, and the habanero. I'll fry for a while till the moisture dries up a bit. Fry deeply just that way. At this point, the kitchen was already overloaded with very delicious, yummy smell. I tell you guys, when you try this, you're really going to enjoy it. Like, the whole cooking process is so interesting. And the reward for it is a very delicious meal. So it's really worth it. At this stage, I'll go in with some salt. So I'll add some oyster sauce. I've cooked this dish without it sometimes, but I prefer it when I cook with the oyster sauce. So I'm going to add some amount of it. Not so much, just a little bit of it. Add seasoning cube. cube seasoning. Sorry. Okay, so this is perfect already. If you want, you can also add some bit of curry and thyme. I just had some. You can do it without it. Sometimes I had, sometimes I don't have it. So I'm just going to put a little bit of it. Thyme. Let it not be too much, just a little bit of it. We don't want to overload our pot with so much seasoning. And putting back the mackerel into the sauce to add more spiciness into the mackerel and to make the hard skin softer. Going to cover it, and this is the excess oil I've extracted from the mackerel. So you see there's no reason to fry it because it's just going to be extra fat for no reason. So sometimes I use it to cook and sometimes I just throw it away. So this now I'm just going to wash it off, and at this point I'm going to take out the fishes so they don't end up scattered as we continue the rest of the process. My potatoes are out of the oven. They are a bit soft, like cooked but not totally cooked through, so I'll add them to the sauce and mix all together. I'll go in with my spinach. So you see this pot is loaded with lots of iron, potassium, vitamins, minerals, protein, carbs. What else do you need? Like, this is a total balanced diet on its own. I mean, all in one. A very interesting all-in-one dish. So you can eat healthy and still enjoy your food. So this is what you have in this recipe. And now we'll go back to add our shrimps in the gizzard. Our gizzard, yes, of course, our gizzard. So you can add more protein as you would like. Probably add some chicken. And here I'll add this pizza blend of cheese. So you can add any other cheese variants that you have. I've used different cheese variants in the past. I like to have this carrot as the last thing because I still want to feel the crunchy taste of it in the dish. So just cover for about 1 minute so all the flavor can mix up together. And that is the end of this cooking process. Our delicious russet potato porridge is ready. Ready my own way, my own style, and I know you will love it also when you try it out. If you want more moisture, you can add a bit of water to your dish, but I don't like that, and so this is what I have. A beautiful pot of loaded goodness, like loaded with lots of carbs, protein, potassium, ions, vitamins, fat, oil, everything that you need in a balanced diet. So delicious and yummy. You need to give this a try, guys, and let me know what you think. So don't forget to subscribe. Don't go anywhere without hitting the subscribe button. And if you love this video, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.